Welcome to Early Childhood Mock Room.
Hi, I'm Angie, Senior Course Counselor from SEGi College Sarawak. This is our lecturer, Miss Felicia, from Faculty of Early Childhood Education.
Hi, so I'm Felicia. I'm the lecturer here. I'm teaching early childhood and I teach diploma and degree students.
So Miss Felicia, what is our activities today?
Okay, so today we're going to do slime.
Oh, slime.
Yes, it's going to be fun, especially for parents. No, not parents. Kids. Yeah, kids and parents. That's going to be fun. Okay, for this activity, it's not going to be messy, which is music for parents' ears. And this one is more of a sensorial activity. So it's similar to what the students are going to learn, which is the Montessori theory, where from birth to 6-year-old, students are exposed to this theory because at that age, children are very sensitive to their surroundings. So we want to teach you more on how to stimulate those sensories. So today we're going to do some slime, right? Okay, so what we need to do is we have to at least half a cup of glue. See here, some glue. It has to be PVA glue, so it can be colorless or this kind of white glue. You can get it in like any bookstore. And then we should have some baking soda. We have some saline solution or contact lens solution. Then we also have some food coloring. So we have here is red and green pandan. And we also have some sequins here. You can use powdered glitter, is fine. Or you have something that's similar to like polyester. Is it polyester? Okay. And you may need baby oil so that it will not stick to your hands.
We take half the cup of glue, we pour it in. For this activity, you can do it with your kids if you want to, because it will be fun for them. And then, at this time, you want to put any of your food coloring. So today we're gonna use pandan green. You only need to put about a drop or two. You don't want it to be too bright. Then you want some. Angie, would you like to help me? You need half a teaspoon of baking soda. This less. Yeah. Let's put it in. Okay. Then we're gonna mix it. Okay, so as you can see, this one is already mixed, right? Then at this time, you want to put any sequence. Angie, would you like to choose your sequence?
Okay, I'll choose this one. I'll choose this.
You can put as much as you want. You can even mix it if you want, if you like. So we have little umbrellas here.
This one. This is little star.
Okay, then we mix it up again. So then the last part is put our saline solution. So you only need about maybe a tablespoon. You can even put less depending on how sticky you want it to be. But I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon here. Okay. So as you put it in, you wanna go slowly. Okay. You can see that it's sticking together. You know when it's ready when it's sticking to itself and not the container. So I'm gonna add a bit more. Right, so you can see that it's really sticky. So right now, it is optional. You want to put in some baby oil. Yeah, so it will not be so sticky. So just put in some, then mix it all up. Be the end result. See, it's so slimy. It's really satisfying actually. Angie, did you enjoy making
Yes, I enjoy it.
it? We both enjoyed it actually.
Thank you, Miss Felicia, for teaching us the steps to do slime today. And if you you are interested to know more about our early childhood course, you can leave a comment here and our friendly counselor will respond to you. Thank you, bye.
Bye. See you soon.
See you.